Belly Dancer Diaries and to today's video, which is a great one for all of you who are just starting out belly dancing, and that is our hip slides versus our hip flicks. Two moves that we usually start off with when we're doing our belly dancing, but it can be a little confusing which one's which and how to do both. So remember, as with every move, we always start with good posture, bringing our feet hip width apart, having our pelvis tucked in, bringing our chest up, hands slam down like they're on the boardroom table, starting off with our hip slides. So as we slide our hips, they're staying towards the front. We're bringing our weight over to one side and then over to the other side. Over to one side and then the other side. So if you close your eyes while you're doing this and really focus on the feeling in your feet, you can feel that the weight is coming onto the side and then the other side. So imagine my hands are the weight of my feet. I'm coming over, 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 and over. My knees are staying nice and soft. My posture's staying upright, and it's quite soft. Okay, this is opposed to our hip flick, which is a very similar move, but we make it sharper. So where do we get the sharpness and the accent from? Well, it comes from our knees. So again, making sure your posture is nice and strong. We're bending one knee, and then as we straighten, we push that hip to the side like we do in our hip slides, but you're using the knee as well. So you're pushing as you straighten, push as you straighten, push as you straighten, and then start to sharpen it up. So when you first do this one, some common problems I see is that people move their body all the way across one side and then the other. You always want to try and stay nice and tall, especially from here up, like you're pulling your ribs away from your hips, getting into those flicks. So you can see from the side, as I come over, I'm bending that knee, then I straight, bending the other knee, and then straight. So I hope you can see the difference and that makes it a little bit clearer for you. The next move that I just want to show you is our doubles. So people get confused by this too, but actually it's a very, very simple move using the same principle. So firstly, our slides. If we're doing double with our slides, we're just coming one side, then back to center, same side again, back to center, side, side, center, side, side, center. So you again feel the weight in your feet. If you are doing double flick, I know it can be confusing because a lot of people think when they bend one knee, the other leg straightens, and when the other one bends, this one straightens again. Instead, thinking about it coming from the knee, but then back to neutral. I'll show you. So from here, we're bending that knee straight, bending this knee again. We're not flicking to the other side, we're just coming back to neutral and then flicking again. Other side, bend and straight, 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 bend and straight. From the side, you can see, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. You can do this faster as well, trying to get those accents, again, keeping your posture up nice and tall. So I hope that helps you with your hip slides and your hip flicks. A great one to practice because it's awesome to get your isolations through your body, and it's fun because you can play with it a lot, doing your accents as well as keeping it nice and soft, nice and flowy. Any comments, please write below, and as always, happy dancing.